Hi everybody. I can say I think we've been too kind to the deer because they tore down my portable chicken fence, my poultry netting. I think they got in there to eat the chicken scratch, got stuck, and yeah, I think they might have got their feet wrapped up in it because they stretched it out pretty dang good. Looks like it's in a mess. I'm gonna try to salvage it and put it back up. But yeah. Okay, well, I got my fence back up. It's not as pretty. As a matter of fact, it's crookeder than a dog's hind leg, but it's up. They're back outside. They're happy. So as long as they're happy, I'm happy. You know, I think we need to buy a couple new portable poultry nets. You know, these really come in handy. They're just not deer proof. I mean, they would be. You're supposed to put a solar charger on it, but I don't use electric with it. Partially because I had one of the roosters get hung up in it, got his leg wrapped in it. Look at this one here. He's trying to tear the fence down. You can't come out of there. No. Pretty boy. Yes, you're a pretty boy. You're a pretty boy. Oh, you think you're going to pull one on me, huh? You trying to do your dance around me? Huh? Pretty boys? Oh, pretty boys. Hi, pretty boys. Peep, peep, peep. Peep, peep, peep. And that poor hen, I'm going to have to take her out of there. I just don't know how I'm going to catch her. Isn't he pretty? Yeah, you're beautiful, boy. You hear that hawk? You heard that hawk, didn't you? All right, I gotta fill their feeder with some crumbles so they have some yummies. Thanks for watching.